are going to start with a switch statement in C programming. So before I am going to start in statement in C programming, okay. First we have to know why we are using switch statement. Okay. So before switch statement, I already discussed about the if else statement. Okay. So if else statements and after that else if later statement. So in the case of else if later, what happens if you want to check any conditions? It is going to take one by one all the conditions. So it is going to take more time. For that purpose, we are using switch statement. It is going to give you quick results and within a second. Okay. After that, it is going to break the stop the program. The syntax is something like that. Okay. It will be more clear when we try with when we write some examples. Okay. The syntax is something like that. Switch with conditions. Switch with statement. We can add any kind of statements. Okay. Okay, so based on the statements, so we have a different case statement. Okay, case 1, case 2. Okay, case 1 statement. So each statement has a break statement. Okay, just we are ending with a break. Okay, something like that. We have case 1 like case 2 statement. Okay, but I don't know that how many statement is there. Okay, that's why I'm writing that. So similarly, there are case n statement. Okay, so it is going to print the statement n times. Okay, statement n semicolon and then break. If in no one condition is going to match, then at the last it is so there is a default. Okay, so it is going to display that. Okay, so default with a statement. So default statement has no break. Okay, we are not using any break. So this is the syntax. Switch with the statement, we are passing some values there. Okay. So based on the value, it is going to match my respective case values. Okay. Whether so suppose if the case value is 1, it is going to display this statement and stop our program. So it is going to give a quick result. So let's take one example. It will be more clear. Okay. Suppose just I am giving some small examples like. I want to display the week of day using switch statement. Okay. So like suppose I declare any variables like day. Okay. And some initializing some values like day is equals to 1. Okay. So I want to pass these variables inside the switch. Okay. Inside the switch. Which variables we are declaring so far? That variables we have to call inside the switch. So here case 1 is what? If we are initializing day value as a 1, it is going to call this 1. Okay. Then it is going to display the values like. So whatever things we are writing inside this, either you can have this is Sunday or Sunday, whatever you are. Okay. This is Sunday, and then break the statement. Similarly, we can write for a number of conditions. Okay. Case 1, case 2. Printf. If you want to modify the statement, you can add directly Monday, something like that. Okay. So likewise, each statement is ended with what? Ended with break statement. Okay. Suppose any condition is going to match. Suppose now I have given day is equals to 1. If this condition is matched, it is going to print this result and then stop your program. Okay. Similarly, we can complete up to the case 7. Okay. Case 7. Okay. Then finally we have what? Finally we have a default. Okay. If no one condition is matched, then it is going to display what? It is going to display the values like what? So just I'm adding no day. It is going to display the message no day. Okay. And then just closing this one, then it is going to return by default 0 as a value. Okay. Suppose if I am going to modify if day is equals to 10, so it is going to check that whether the day value is 10 is there. So case 1, this 1 value is there, 2 value, up to 7 is there. So there is no 10 values there. So it is going to display my what? Default values. Okay, in this way we can use the concept of switch statement. Okay. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name is S and S Lab. Okay, thank you so much.